Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert the Ticketmaster mobile tickets to PDF in 2026. Now, if you want a paper backup to email the tickets or to save them offline, this updated method will walk you through it step by step. So first of all, you need to open your Ticketmaster application on your phone, or you can open ticketmaster.com website in your web browser. You just have to make sure that you first of all log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, once you log in, simply click on the option of My Account here on the top right hand corner of the screen. After clicking on this option, simply under My Tickets option, click on the option of the upcoming events. So here in the upcoming events, it is going to show you all of the tickets that you already have available. So you need to select that particular ticket which you want to convert. After tapping on the ticket, you just have to basically look for the barcode screen. You should see your ticket with the barcode and the details like seat number and the event page. On your phone, you can just simply press the power or the volume button at the same time in order to basically take the screenshot. So this is going to take the screenshot instantly. So now you can turn this particular screenshot into PDF. For that, you can use any of the photo to PDF converter on web browser, and then you can basically convert that image into PDF. Now, once the PDF is available to you, you can take a printout of it, and this way you can basically convert Ticketmaster mobile tickets to PDF in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.